Hello everyone, I'm going to show you some old, well not really old, but fidget toys. So here's a fidget spinner. I don't know if you can see it that close, but some old fidget toys. This is actually kind of good because I just got it and it's kind of new as well. So here's one of the old fidget toys I have found in a deep storage room. Anyways, let's move on. Then there's this thing. I'm not gonna show you how to do it, but actually I'm gonna show you how to like put it in. So basically, you get one of these balls, right? And you basically blow from the end. The thing that's only being shown on the camera thing, it's the end part. Then it will blow up, and then it will blow upward. And it looks super duper cool. I'm not gonna show it because then the camera will get all wonky and stuff, so just deal with me here. And then I have these magnets over here that you into a ball. I'm gonna do that right now. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 second. I'm gonna see how fast I can do this on the floor. So let's see. Oh my god, I'm messing it up. No! Hold on. You see it's coming along. So you can put one thing right there. And the next thing right there. And then this one right there. And then the final piece on top goes right there. So as you can see, you have made a ball with magnets. Then the fun part is you crush it. So cool. Anyways, I want to show you that. The final, I think, is the coolest one. I have a Nerf gun. The coolest, I think that, well, not the coolest toy ever. Of course, there's cooler ones, but this is the coolest toy I have found because look at the speed on this thing. Let me load it up. Oh my god. Video is speed. Alright. So okay, I'm back now. So as you can see, if you shoot it, actually let me just shoot it. Let me shoot it right on the floor. It goes crazy fast. And if I reload it again, it didn't work. Reload it again, then you do this. Super fast. And then, as you can probably tell, this is not the coolest one. I should have showed this earlier. But I found this like Pokemon ball that I do have a Pokemon binder that I went insane with. But now I don't like Pokemon as much, but I still collect some cards. So I'll show you that next video maybe. Who knows? Bye bye.